My name is Caitlin Orman. This week's assignment focused on multiple intelligences. In our textbook, Gardner stated, on one hand, educators need to recognize the difficulties students face in attaining genuine understanding of important topics and concepts. On the other hand, educators need to take into account the differences among minds and, as far as possible, fashion an education that can reach the infinite variety of students. The multiple intelligence theory separates human intelligence into specific modalities rather than seeing intelligence as dominated by a single general ability. Since the publication of Frames of Mind, the multiple intelligence theory has had a significant impact on schools, teachers, and students. In a study of 41 different schools using the multiple intelligence theory, researchers found that with putting the theory into practice, it was associated with improved test scores, improved student behavior, improved parent participation, and positive outcomes for students that have learning disabilities. An important aspect of building student strengths is to keep them motivated in school. They need opportunities to succeed in learning. Teaching focused on multiple intelligence can identify the areas where students excel and provide opportunities for students with bigger imaginations to succeed. One thing I found interesting is that teachers should be careful to avoid the pigeonholing effect. It means labeling students forever as X type of learners. Every student learns and processes information differently. Assessing a student's strengths and weaknesses will help to assist them in learning rather than attaching a permanent label to each student. It's important as teachers to build a student's confidence and to help them to become stronger at their weaknesses. All of this can be achieved by observing and taking interest in each student. Part of being an intelligent learner is demonstrating that you can think about the same idea in a variety of different ways. If you have more than one way of thinking about something, you are less likely to forget it. The 8 intelligences can help us think about a variety of ways an idea may be represented. A teacher can use verbal, hands-on learning, graphs, and visuals to reach each student on an individual level. I really enjoyed this week's lesson and learning about the theory of multiple intelligences and how we can incorporate it into the classroom.